There are 5 basic parts to the QuickSet: the tube receiver, the guide roller system, the J-hook gap section, and a WRD vacuum and suction cup. The guide roller locks into the round end of the tube receiver, and the square end locks into a WRD B or R cup. The guide roller has 9 locations to screw the roller into and can be rotated 180 degrees for even more placement options to ensure an accurate placement of the window. The J-hook gap attaches to the WRD suction cup like so. The padded section rests against the roof of the vehicle, suspending the glass until ready for the final set. Once assembled, the guide roller is mounted to the hood of the car. Avoid locating the QuickSet too close to the center of the hood. It should be offset to avoid a rocking motion when setting the glass. Attach the J-hook gap near the upper corner of the windshield on the opposite side from where the glass will be handled. The WRD suction cup should be attached to the outer-facing side of the windshield. When the QuickSet components are secured in place and the windshield is ready to set, guide the far edge of the windshield onto the guide roller and set the first corner in place. Move to the opposite side of the vehicle and support the corner while removing the QuickSet guide roller assembly. Then, remove the J-hook gap suction cup to fully seat the windshield. It's that quick and easy. Be sure to check out our other videos and products that save you time and effort.